All right, so let's talk about comparative advantage. So we have two different types of comparative advantage models, one being output, one being input. So let's break down how we solve each, okay? So for this problem here, we have two different countries, A and B, making cars and computers. These are the number that each of them can make in 1 hour. So we have to calculate our comparative advantage between the two countries. So to do this, we identify that it's an output question. Output means the other number goes over the original number. So instead of making 3 cars, they could make 6 computers. So the other number goes over the original, means that for 1 car, it would cost us 2 computers. Okay, we do the same thing here. The other number goes over the original number. For 1 computer, it would get us 1/2 cars. We can continue moving down into this problem here. We're doing the same thing. Other number goes over the original number, gets us 1/2. And here as well, other number goes over the original. We get 1 computer for 2 cars, okay? Now, we have to decide who has the comparative advantage between these two. Well, we want to find the country with the lower opportunity cost. In this case, for cars, it would be country B, since they have an opportunity cost of 1/2. And for computers, it would be country A, since they also have an opportunity cost of 1/2. So, country A should make computers, country B should make cars. That should be our agreement there. Easy way to check and make sure we got the right answer, we can actually cross-multiply these two outputs. 4 times 6 gets us 24. 3 times 2 gets us 6. We want to go with the larger number here, gets us our correct comparative advantage. Now, for an input question where we're looking at a resource such as hours or number of workers, we do things a little bit differently. For an input question, we have to remember IOU. The other number goes under the original number. So we're looking at the number of hours for 1 loaf of bread and the number of hours for 1 loaf of corn. So for country A, for 1 bread, the other number goes under the original number, gets us 1/2 corn. Same thing here, the other number goes under the original number, so 1 corn gets us 2 bread. For country B, we're doing the same here. For 1 bread, the other number goes under the original number, gets us 2 corn. And for here, 1 corn, other goes under, gets us 1/2. So as you can see, using the exact same numbers, changing the style of question changes what our answer is going to be, because we're still looking for the country with the lowest opportunity cost. In this case, country A should make bread, country B should make corn. Again, we can still cross-multiply to find out we got the right answer. We still have 24 and 6, but because this is an input question, we want to go with the lower number because we want to produce with the lowest amount of inputs.